Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be feeding calves. So what I normally do when we're feeding calves is I put calves on the feeder here, and then I help feed like some of the new calves that we have to bottle feed. So right here's all the calves that we have on the feeder. So if there's like a little star right there, that means I have to put 37 on there. So we just have to head out here to group 1, and this is the one we have to put on. So this one's drinking right now. This one is not, so we're gonna take this calf out. Open the gate here. Alright, so I put that calf in there. So now the nipple is going to open up and the calf is going to start drinking. Yeah. Alright, so my dad's gonna be coming with some straw for these calves here. Oh, I just gotta open this gate. Pas op voor de katten! It is extremely windy out, so we're gonna keep this closed. So what my sister always does is she throws straw into the pens here. Alright, so we just got some new kitties and of course the cat. There are 4 of them, and yeah, they're extremely small. Get out of the way. So we can't tell if they're boys or girls yet. If they're boys, then we get rid of them, we give them to someone. But if they're girls, we keep them. So after the calves get bottle fed, they go into this group right here, and then we start letting them drink from the feeder. So this one has is about halfway done. And then after this group, they go to this one, and then they also, get different feed. So before they got this, and then now they have some simpler stuff, but sometimes we mix some of that feed into here so they can get more used to this feed. Alright, so what I do now is I give these calves here some of this stuff. So they like this. This is like candy to them, so they want to eat a lot more. You can see here just a little bit that I've given these calves. These calves are just trying to get to that. Alright, so now I gotta put feed in there. Alright, so this is still pretty full yet, but we always fill this up with a milk powder. So we always try to get as much in there as possible. So we have half a bag left here that wouldn't fit in there this morning. So I'm going to be putting this bag in there. We always want to try to get as much in there as possible, so got a little bit of mountain there, so you can just put that in and smash that down, and then it just compacts it down. And we also still have some left in there. Fact about calves only have bottom teeth. Calves do not have top teeth, so as you can tell here, well, it might be kind of hard to see, but there are no top teeth, but there are bottom teeth. Kind of hard to tell. Alright, so it's been a while now, and they're all done with drinking, so we're going to be putting the bottles back in the cart. We try to let them drink as long as possible, and the longer that they suck on the nipple, the more saliva they produce, and if they have more saliva, it's better for their digestion with the feed. Okay, kitty, go bye-bye. Alright, so we're all done with feeding calves. I'm going to be bringing the cart back. Okay, so my mom is going to be cleaning these all up with really hot water. Alright guys, that'll be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And quick question, do you want me to make a video on my new truck